Hello everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial on using insulin pen brought to you by the Pharmacy Department of Sarawak General Hospital. Introduction. This is the case of the insulin pen. A new insulin pen set consists of insulin pen, needle, insulin sticker, user guide, and warranty card. The insulin pen consists of pen cap, cartridge holder, and the body of the pen. The button at the end of the pen can be turned to adjust the units of insulin required. Installation of cartridge. Take the cartridge out of the package by pushing against the aluminum foil. Check the expiry date of the insulin cartridge. After opening the cap of the insulin pen, turn the cartridge holder until you hear a click sound to detach it from the body. Insert the cartridge into the cartridge holder. Attach the cartridge holder with insulin cartridge to the body of the insulin pen by turning it to the other side until a click sound is heard. Mixing the insulin. Shake the insulin pen for 10 times as shown in the video after installation is done. Then, roll the insulin pen between your palms for 10 times. Needle installation. Get ready an insulin needle. The needle is available in many sizes and can be bought from any pharmacy store. Kindly consult pharmacist for needle size that suit you. Peel off the cover of the insulin needle. Attach the needle to the tip of insulin pen by turning it until it is tightly attached to the insulin pen. Remove the bigger cap and put it aside. Remove the smaller cap and throw this cap away. Priming. Hold the insulin pen straight. Turn the knob until you get 2 units. Push the button until the number turns to 0. Observe the needle tip at the same time. Repeat this step until you see insulin shooting out straight from the tip. If you see only water droplets coming out from the tip, repeat until you see shooting insulin. Change the needle if you can't get it. Your insulin pen is ready to use after priming is done. Remember, priming must be done every time before use. Administer insulin. Adjust the insulin unit according to the instruction given by the doctor. If you overdial, you can change the unit by turning it backward. Choose any spot that is at least 2 fingers away from the navel on your abdomen. Change the spot of injection after each administration of insulin. Make sure the new spot of injection is at least 1 thumb away from the previous spot. You may use Insurutus guidance of direction of injection as shown in this diagram. Once one side is completed, change to the other side of the abdomen. Repeat the same route again after you done injecting all the spots. Inject at 90 degrees. Do not inject obliquely. Do not turn your needle around after injection. Press the button until the number turns 0. Wait for 10 seconds. Remove the insulin pen at 90 degrees. Discard needle. Remove the needle after each use. Cap the needle with the bigger cap. Turn it and remove it from the insulin pen. Do not use the smaller cap in order to prevent pricking yourself accidentally. Get a plastic container or bottle for you to discard the needle. Discard the needle into the plastic container and cap it. Send it to the nearby hospital or clinic for disposal after the container is full. Storage. Cap your insulin pen with its cap. Do not take the cartridge out from the cartridge holder after it was installed onto the pen. Keep the insulin pen in the case. Keep the insulin pen at room temperature. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.